Hello and namaskar everyone. It's me, Divya from Nepal, and currently I'm living here in Australia for pursuing my PhD degree at the Australian National University. And today in this video, I'll be talking about ANU PhD scholarship, which is basically a stipend scholarship offered by ANU colleges to higher degree by research candidates who are also called as SDR or the PhD candidates here at the Australian National University. And I'm also receiving this ANU PhD scholarship to pursue my PhD here at the Australian National University. So without further delay, let's get into the video. And to know about ANU PhD scholarship, you just go to Google and type ANU PhD scholarship. After you type this, there are several links that will appear in the screen. You just go to the first one where you will be redirected to the website of our university, and under the scholarship section there is ANU PhD scholarship. So guys, this is just the stipend scholarship, and while I'm saying it's just the stipend scholarship, it means your tuition fee will not be covered by this scholarship, and to be considered for the tuition fee you need to receive another kind of scholarship, and which is to be considered by your department or your school. And why I'm focusing on the tuition fee, because the tuition fee for the SDR candidate here at ANU is very expensive. If you have to pay them by yourself, it will cost you a lot of money. And to be considered for the ANU like fee remission merit scholarship, you must have good grades and your school must consider you an eligible candidate to get this scholarship. So yeah, there is no separate application for this one as well. You just are considered by your school and you'll know the outcome when they will announce the results. So yeah, this is just a brief introduction about the ANU fee remission merit scholarship. But in this video, I'll focus more on the ANU PhD scholarship. So basically, this is a stipend scholarship. And this is offered by ANU colleges to SDR candidates. And if you are an international student, you'll have to study full-time under this scholarship. And if you are the domestic candidate, you can study a part-time under this scholarship. Value of this scholarship is $36,652 per year, and your stipend will be paid fortnightly. And to be eligible, you can be either domestic, international, current, or prospective candidate. And this scholarship is for postgraduate research, and the selection is purely based on the academic merit. And in order to continue to get this scholarship, you need to perform academically well. And only under the exceptional cases, the scholarship can be extended to 3 to 6 months. Otherwise, this scholarship will terminate in 3.5 years. You can apply to this ANU PhD scholarship for all of the fields and majors that are available at ANU. And to be eligible for this scholarship, you can be either domestic or international student, and you must have applied for admission to PhD or professional doctorate by research program. And you must have bachelor's degree with first class honors for some colleges, and you may be considered with upper second class honors for some of the colleges and majors. And yeah, in case of Australia, if you have the bachelor's degree or the honors, you can be directly considered for the PhD program. But if you are international candidates, you will require a master's degree with a research component from a recognized university to be considered for this scholarship. So these are the eligibility requirements. Talking about the benefits of this scholarship, the scholarship is for 3.5 years. Your travel and removal allowance from your home country to Canberra will be covered. You'll be given thesis allowance. Your visa fee will be also covered, and your medical fee during the time of visa will also be covered. And if you have a child, you'll also get dependent child allowance, but this is applicable only for international students, and you will also get paid medical and parental leave. So many of you may have this question, how to apply? So to apply to this scholarship, there is no separate application. So the eligible candidates will be automatically considered for this scholarship after they submit their online application with their supporting document and also their referee reports. And yeah, in order to be considered for this scholarship ranking process, you must submit your application well with all the necessary documents. And talking about the admission deadline, there are 2 rounds of application. So during the first round for international student, the closing date is the end of the August each year. And once you submit your application in August, your academic program will begin in January through March. And if you are the domestic applicant, you can apply for round 1 and your closing date will be the end of October. And you can start your program with the same time, that is January through March. And for the second round, both domestic and international students can apply. And this is during the January to March, and closing date is 15th of April or mid of April, and your program will start by the end of August of the same year as application deadline. So yeah, this is really quick. So yeah, based on your feasibility and based on your graduation status, you can consider these deadlines and apply to this scholarship by preparing documents in advance. And here are some of the reference documents where the scholarship benefits and guidelines are mentioned in detail. So you can check these documents where there is introduction to scholarship, the benefits is more elaborated, and also the duration of scholarship, and also about the program leave. Everything is elaborated here in these documents. And if there are any changes, they'll upload the new document. So yeah, consider checking this reference document. And for the further information, so while you are applying to this particular ANU PhD scholarship, you can either contact your graduate study convener. Like each school, they have their graduate school convener. So if, for example, you are applying to any school, you just need to contact their graduate school convener, or you can contact your prospective supervisor in advance. As you make the contact, you can discuss with them about lodging the application, and also you can discuss about the proposed research topic. And during the application, we also need to upload the research plan. So you can discuss about your research plan with your prospective supervisor and then apply. So if you can do so, your chances of being selected will be enhanced. So guys, if you are considering for applying to ANU PhD scholarship to study here at ANU, it's better you contact to graduate program convener, or more importantly, you contact the prospective supervisor, because if there are no like vacant position in their labs, then like your application can go waste. So yeah, it's always a good idea to contact prospective supervisor and find out if they are in need of any PhD student. Otherwise, you can consider applying to other school or other scholarship, because during the application process of this scholarship also, you'll need to request your referees to submit the letters online. So if there are no vacancies in those labs, then there is no point in applying, and also you are wasting the time of your referees. So you can use those referee letters or referee reports to other scholarship or other program. So yeah, do your research well and contact your prospective supervisor before applying to the ANU PhD scholarship. And yeah, this is all about this scholarship. And in the next video, I'll be coming with more informative content about another scholarship maybe. Until then, stay safe, stay productive, and dhanyavad, namaskar. See you in the next video.